Hello, everyone. Today, we're diving into one of the most exciting topics in the world of AI and technology. Have you ever wondered how some innovations completely change the game? Well, that's exactly what happened with Deepseek. This AI powerhouse didn't just enter the market. It took over, leaving other chatbots in the dust. So how did Deepseek achieve this? What makes it so special? And why are people calling it the chatbot killer? Stick around, because in this video, we're going to explore everything about Deepseek, its rise, its features, and how it's shaping the future of AI. Let's get started. Before we talk about how Deepseek took over the market, let's first understand what it actually is. Deepseek is an advanced AI platform designed to provide smarter, faster, and more accurate solutions compared to traditional chatbots. Unlike older chatbots that rely on pre-programmed responses, Deepseek uses cutting-edge technologies like machine learning and natural language processing to understand and respond to user queries in a way that feels almost human. But here's the kicker. Deepseek isn't just a chatbot. It's a multifunctional AI tool that can be customized for various industries. Whether it's healthcare, finance, education, or customer service, it's like having a virtual assistant that not only answers your questions, but also learns from every interaction to improve itself. This ability to adapt and grow is what sets Deepseek apart from the competition. To understand why Deepseek is such a big deal, we need to talk about the limitations of traditional chatbots. For years, chatbots have been used by businesses to automate customer service, answer FAQs, and handle basic tasks. But let's be honest, how many times have you interacted with a chatbot and felt frustrated? Maybe it couldn't understand your question, or it gave you a generic response that didn't help at all. The problem with most chatbots is that they're rule-based. They follow a set of predefined rules and scripts, which means they can only handle simple, predictable queries. If you ask them something outside their programming, they either give you an irrelevant answer or just stop working altogether. This is where Deepseek comes in. It was designed to solve these exact problems by using AI to understand context, learn from interactions, and provide meaningful responses. Now, let's talk about how Deepseek made its mark in the AI industry. Deepseek wasn't just another chatbot launched into the market. It was developed by a team of experts who saw the gaps in existing AI tools and decided to create something revolutionary. When Deepseek was first introduced, it wasn't an overnight success. It started as a niche tool, but its capabilities quickly caught the attention of businesses and tech enthusiasts. One of the key moments in Deepseek's journey was its real-time learning feature. Unlike other AI tools that require constant updates and manual tweaking, Deepseek improves itself with every interaction. This means the more you use it, the better it gets. Another major milestone was its multilingual support. While most chatbots struggle with languages other than English, Deepseek can communicate fluently in multiple languages, making it accessible to a global audience. But the real game changer was its industry-specific customization. Deepseek wasn't just a one-size-fits-all solution. It could be tailored to meet the unique needs of different industries, from healthcare to finance to education. This versatility made it a favorite among businesses looking for smarter, more efficient AI solutions. So what exactly makes Deepseek so powerful? Let's break it down. Deepseek uses advanced natural language processing to understand context, tone, and intent. This means it can handle complex queries and provide accurate, relevant responses. Unlike traditional chatbots, Deepseek learns from every interaction. This means it gets smarter over time, adapting to user needs and preferences. It can communicate in multiple languages, making it a truly global AI tool. Whether it's diagnosing medical conditions, analyzing financial data, or tutoring students, Deepseek can be customized for specific industries. It delivers faster and more accurate results compared to other chatbots, saving time and improving efficiency. And finally, Deepseek can be easily integrated into existing systems, making it a convenient choice for businesses. These features didn't just make Deepseek a better chatbot, they redefined what an AI tool could do. Now let's compare Deepseek with other popular chatbots like ChatGPT, Bard, and others. While these tools are impressive, Deepseek has some clear advantages. ChatGPT and similar tools often struggle with maintaining context in long conversations. Deepseek, on the other hand, excels at understanding and remembering context, making interactions feel more natural. Most AI tools require manual updates to improve their performance. Deepseek, however, learns and improves on its own, making it more efficient over time. While other chatbots offer general-purpose solutions, Deepseek can be tailored to meet the specific needs of different industries. And Deepseek's ability to communicate in multiple languages gives it an edge over competitors that are limited to English or a few other languages. In short, Deepseek didn't just compete with other chatbots, it raised the bar for what AI tools can achieve. So, there you have it. Deepseek's journey from being a new player to a market leader. It's not just a chatbot, it's a revolutionary AI tool that's changing the way we interact with technology. What do you think about Deepseek? Have you tried it yet? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe to the channel for more tech insights. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.